Hey guys, we are back with the Browntown Homestead, and today we are hunting in Ivor, the same place where we deer hunt. I've killed all my deer there this season. That's where I killed all my deer. We're gonna bring a few dogs, and yeah, let's hope I get a rabbit or two. I got him!
You got him!
Oh my gosh! Yes! Oh my gosh, I got him!
Did you?
There he is!
Ha
I
ha!
got him!
Woohoo!
I got him!
Ha ha! Woohoo! Booyah!
Boom! Dead rabbit!
That's 2 years in a row at the same
big.
spot.
That's where I killed my one last year.
Show him to the dogs.
It's a lucky spot.
That happened quick.
Yeah, I shot him at the last second. Oh, hey. Dad, I almost missed him. Perfect shot right in the head. Second ever rabbit.
First rabbit of the hunt last year, first rabbit of the hunt this year.
Man, get a sip of water. How can I crush that ice? Damn, I can't crush that ice when I was there when I had nothing to do. There, rabbit, there, rabbit. Hey, there. Oh, rabbit comes across here, there is a stick. Yeah, stick.
Ready? Hey.
It's on fire.
There he is. Be ready. There he is. There he is. Right there. Whoa! Number two!
I got him! Oh my gosh, yes! I got him!
Woohoo! Number two. Two for two.
Yeah, baby!
Awesome.
Third rabbit ever.
Second one today. 2 shots, 2 rabbits. Woohoo! Dead rabbit, dead rabbit.
Dead rabbit, dead rabbit.
Told you I heard him calling, didn't I?
Dead rabbit, dead rabbit, dead rabbit, dead rabbit, dead rabbit. Dead rabbit, dead rabbit. Dead rabbit, dead rabbit, dead rabbit. That is yours. Got a cut in it. Dead rabbit, dead rabbit.
From your pellet, probably.
Dead rabbit, dead rabbit, dead rabbit, dead rabbit. Dead rabbit, dead rabbit, dead rabbit. Dead rabbit, dead rabbit, dead rabbit. Dead rabbit, dead rabbit. I haven't seen my first two things darting out of the path. Dead rabbit, dead rabbit, dead rabbit. Dead rabbit, dead rabbit, dead rabbit. Dead rabbit, dead rabbit.
Let him smell it, but we're holding on it tight. Here he goes.
Hey, no,
Get
no,
rabbit,
no,
get
no,
rabbit.
no.
Let him see it. Let him hold it down the ground.
Hey, dear rabbit. Hey, dear rabbit. Dear rabbit.
Dear rabbit, dear rabbit, dear rabbit.
Dear rabbit. Dear rabbit. Hey, dear rabbit. Hey, dear rabbit.
Let me see it.
Hey, dear rabbit. Hey, dear rabbit. Dear rabbit. And that one knows it's here. Dear rabbit.
Let him get it.
Ooh, I didn't know it was there. Okay, guys, now we are leaving from Ivor. That's like probably the best rabbit hunt I've ever been on. I've killed 2 rabbits, and reason why we got a lot of rabbits back there. We got 5 back there. One of them's half. One of them's like a half of one because the dogs tore that one up, and we're gonna put that one out for the coyotes. And some of the other guys didn't want theirs, so they gave them to us. We got a lot of skinning to do when we get home. And that first rabbit that I shot was the rabbit I killed, well, the very first rabbit that I ever killed. And in the same exact spot. It might have been a foot or 2 difference, but it looked like the exact spot where I killed my first rabbit. And there are these certain types of rabbits that I killed. Number 1, a cottontail, very popular. And the rabbit that I killed first is called bluetail. And, well, they call them swamp rabbits. And the reason they call them blue tails because they got a blue tail. And on a cottontail, they just got a tail that looks like cotton. Makes sense. And the second rabbit that I shot, so I think that rabbit kept on making zigzags, and we went up and down the path because that rabbit kept on turning. One guy shot. He missed him, the same exact rabbit. And then that rabbit came running through the woods. My dad saw him at first. And I was like, where is he? Where is it? And then finally, I saw that rabbit for 1 second and got him. There's this ditch that goes up to my waist, filled with water. I thought he was just gonna barrel roll into the ditch. Luckily, he was about 2 inches, maybe a little more, from the ditch. She's crazy. And we ended up getting about, 8 rabbits? We got about 7 or 8 rabbits. We got, I think, 10 last year, but still. And yeah, guys, that was the video today, the Browntown Homestead. We'll make another one soon. See you guys next time. Bye!